Shoot. Okay, wait. There we go. Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Legacy Collection Jurassic World Apatosaurus, and this thing is absolutely amazing. It recently came to Toys R Us here in Canada, and it's huge. It's massive. I'm not sure if the box is the same size as the Brachiosaurus box, but I'm not gonna compare that. The box is somewhere else, but the box art alone is awesome. They've got that nice stock photo of the Apatosaurus on the front. They got some weird, like, I don't know if they're Jurassic World Evolution game photos in the background. They also have them back here too. They've got some like weird Apatosaurus or random sauropod photos just edited in. Like if you look closely on the box, most of the art, it's so off-putting. It doesn't look right. But hey, that's just what they did with the last box, so it's like whatever. And also on the back here, you can see the Raptor squad's also featured on there, which is really cool. Yeah, no, and it's huge. It's 105 centimeters or 41 inches long. That's crazy. It's got articulation shown on this side of the box. I actually don't know the quality. I'm filming this on my laptop because I broke my video camera. So hopefully the quality's fine on this. Yeah, no. And of course it works with the fact that. So this is great. This is awesome. I'm not sure why it's Legacy Collection. When you think Legacy Collection, you think of the first trilogy, not, Jurassic World. But maybe, I guess Jurassic World's old enough to be part of the Legacy Collection now. So why not? So, enough looking at the box. Let's dig right in. Not sure which side I should open. I'm gonna open this side. It says the neck and the tail are the only thing you need to attach. But, so I'm not sure if the legs are fully attached. Also, holy cow, I'm in a video now. Oh my goodness, I haven't done that in a while. Grab some scissors. Dressed for the occasion, so I got my Jurassic Park fit. Just kind of going to decimate this one side of the box, sadly. That's just how it be. Okay, got it open, guys. You can see on the bottom, it shows the instructions there. Down there. It's got some weird fillers. Oh wow, yeah, the legs are on it, guys. So, oh my goodness, and the head and neck are also connected. That's a surprise. The tail's not that long. The body's massive though. So we're gonna yeet the box off to the side. There's the tail, like, yeah, I guess it's kind of long. Not as long as the indominus, but it's pretty good, I guess. Let's get the tail out, I guess. Start with that. I like how they're using less bags. Never mind, they're not using less bags. The head and tail are in their own separate bag in between the legs. There's the tail. Beautiful paint detailing. It's got a rotatable tip there, so that's pretty neat. And then it's got the joint there that goes side to side. Wow, I wasn't expecting the legs to be attached. I can't remember. Maybe the legs were attached on the brachio. I think. Maybe it isn't like a weird thing that the legs are on. Yeah, I think the legs were on the brachio too. Okay, so we got the body. Put the head off to the side. Wow, that is incredible. The feet, wait, 2, 4, 5. Are huge. They're bigger than the brachiosaurs. What the heck? Okay. How am I gonna show this? I can't even see the screen. It's so bright out. Like there. That is massive. It's huge. It's like bigger than the brachio's legs, feet. That's so weird. I wasn't expecting that. I was must have chosen on the box. No, it's got like normal sauropod limbs. I don't know. Okay, so we're just gonna attach the tail on. That is the right end. Okay. Oh, the tail went on very easy. Oh, the tail looks really short in comparison to the body, guys. Like, really short. Oh, wow. Okay, I can just take up the whole screen. That's cool. Okay, so now let's take out the neck and the head. If I'm squinting, I've got the sun in my eyes, so that's very cool, very fun. Whatever. I'm a loss of words. Wow, that is beautiful. The head's on maybe a ball joint, kind of a ball joint, something like that. The head's like a rubbery plastic. Wow, the inside of the mouth is really good. I don't know if this is even coming up, guys. Yeah, it's got a lot of nice facial details. They did some amazing work on the sculpting of the scales, the wrinkles, really nice eyes. I love how the mouth closes. That's also really nice. Like, it captures the movie Apatosaurus well. And I think that Apatosaurus is, in my opinion, one of the iconic dinosaurs from the movie. Like, when you see this, you think Jurassic World Apatosaurus. No doubt about that. So that's really neat. Let's get the neck on. Nice crisp click. And the neck can go side to side. That, and holy cow, this is massive. There we go. Yikes. Okay, so let's compare it to the Indominus. I know like every video does this, but in my I was looking at like the sizing of Apatosaurus in like games and stuff. Here, I gotta get it from my angle or you guys' angle. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. I was watching Jurassic World Evolution gameplay, and the Apatosaurus in that game obviously is more of a realistic size to in the movies. And it's a bit too big, but it's passable. Because like looking at most of the big theropod toys next to it, it just doesn't like line up to, you know, proper Apatosaurus size. Same with the Brachiosaurus. It's way too tall. I guess the legs are a bit too long, but everything's just a bit too big. It's like scaled up just slightly, and that's kind of off-putting in, I don't know, in scale. Like looking at the Stegosaurus next to it and stuff. But I don't know. It could just be me. I feel like it's just a little bit too big. Like in the movie and in the games, it's smaller. It's more, I don't know, shorter. But regardless, it's a figure, not complaining about that. And this really opens the door for more possibilities when it comes to Mattel making sauropods, because of course finally they have Apatosaurus. Now potentially we might be getting Mamenchisaurus, which would just be phenomenal. It'd be mind-blowing. That would make such a cool figure. And we've already got a Margosaurus and Moosaurus and all that jazz. I'm not sure what other sauropods are in the... I guess they could start branching off into more popular sauropods. I mean, like, they probably wouldn't make a lot of those figures, even though they made a lot of these figures because they're popular, but they could make Argentinosaurus. Diplodocus would be a good one because they've got the miniature figure of it, and I could see that being a scaled up and very popular because, of course, everyone knows Diplodocus, right? One of the more popular sauropods. And I would also like to see Herrerasaurus. It'd probably be, of course, a smaller size, but it would be cute to see because that's just, you know, another popular sauropod which is featured in some of the Jurassic games, like Evolution. Oh yeah, and someone was talking about the head size. I can't remember who, but the head size is quite massive in comparison the movies. Again, passable. It's like just a little bit too big, but not too big where it's like that big of a problem, right? It's just slightly annoyingly too big. But yeah, no, of course, Mattel did an amazing job with the details, the paint job. All this striping on the body is amazing. They've even got painting on the legs too. This one cost me $90 Canadian, which sucks. It's a lot of money. We lost Owen, whatever. But I think the Brachio was $90 for the longest time. It's now down to like 60 or something, because they can't, sell it for 90 anymore up here. Not too many people are buying it. I don't know if my legs are off center. I think one of them is. There we go. It's also very windy here, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm talking quite loud. Bend the tail. Oh wow, you can pose it really nicely. You can have it on a nice C shape. I don't know if you can see that C. Bend it into like a slight C shape. Maybe it's turning directions. The legs have nice articulation. They've got certain points where they stop at. Like you'll hear a click inside. So that's really neat. I don't know. I think the same with the neck. It's got like, no, I think it's just kind of tighter. There is a click position that lines up with the spine. The spine's really nice too. They did a great job on upping that ridge so it's visible, and then they got these like wrinkles down the side or creases. Same with the tail. The tail is very it's not a lot of folds in it, which is like characteristic of the Apatosaurus in the movie. No, this figure is amazing. I don't know how long I've been filming for. Hopefully over 10 minutes. So overall, this figure is stunning, amazing. It's got loads of details packed into it. Very movie accurate when it comes to the detail and appearance. Slightly too big, but that's passable. Love the articulation. It's nice that instead of up and down like the brachiosaur, it goes side to side. We can actually see the length real quick. So I'll do tail tip to tail tip. The tail's taller than the brachiosaur tail. They're actually like the same length, basically. Yeah, they're the same length. So when the brachio's neck is down, they practically line up, and the brachio's a bit taller on the back, obviously because the front limbs are taller, and then the body's also like got that big hump where the neck is, right? So that's really neat. I also got to get a view of, okay, it's not that bad, but again, if you guys have Jurassic World Evolution, try putting an Apatosaurus and a Brachiosaurus in the same enclosure and take a look at the size difference. Definitely too big when it comes to this guy. Awesome. Wow. Okay. Well, that was fun. That was exciting. I was not expecting the sheer size of just the body and the legs. Wow. So yeah, I'm glad to finally have this figure. Apparently it's coming out to the States. I think it's going to be in Target. I don't know the price range for it. American, I'm going to assume like 60 or 70. Could be less. I don't know. So now I just need to pick up the Ford Explorer with the Rex set, and I should be good on the new Legacy lineup. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, get to see my face now, my full body. Wow, I'm hoping to do more videos like this. I thought it was actually fun. Just, talking to the camera like this. And then hopefully I get a new video camera so I don't have to record this on Zoom. Because again, I don't know what the quality is like, so I apologize in advance if it's like super grainy. I don't know. Zoom, right? Yeah, so hope you all enjoyed. Definitely leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, take a look at it. You can subscribe if you want. I do fun content like this, and I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye, guys. Okay, now I gotta turn it off.